Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Quick Settings, which gives direct access to the control area. Click the clock in the bottom right corner, then tap the gear icon labeled Settings. This opens the Settings app. Think of it as the Chromebook control panel. Make sure you're signed into the profile you intend to change, because settings can be profile-specific. Once done, you'll see main sections like Network, Bluetooth, and Device listed on the left. We'll dive into those next. Now navigate the major sections to reach the precise controls you need. Use the left sidebar to open Network for Wi-Fi and VPN, Device for display and keyboard, and People for account and sync options. If you prefer, type keywords in the search bar at the top to jump straight to a control. This saves time. Make changes like adjusting screen brightness, enabling touchpad gestures, or checking storage. Once configured, changes apply immediately. Keep an eye on confirmation toggles. Finish by reviewing any modified settings and testing the behavior you changed. For example, reopen a site or toggle Bluetooth to pair a device. If a setting doesn't stick, sign out and sign back in or restart the Chromebook. This often forces updates to take effect. As a last resort, use Power Wash to reset the device after backing up data. If hardware controls still fail, run the built-in diagnostics or contact support. One tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.